Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting inside Microsoft Edge. Make sure you're signed into the account whose sync you'll change. Click the three-dot menu at the top right, then choose Settings. Once in Settings, focus on Profiles. That's where Microsoft keeps sync options. This step matters because changing the wrong profile won't affect the data you intended. If you manage multiple profiles, switch to the target profile now. Otherwise, proceed to the sync controls that follow. In Profiles, tap Sync to open a detailed list of synced items. You can toggle individual categories, for example, turn off passwords or history if you want selective control. If you prefer to stop everything, click Turn Off Sync. That immediately halts syncing to Microsoft servers while retaining data locally. Make sure you understand, turning off sync prevents future uploads, but won't automatically delete cloud copies unless you choose to clear them in your Microsoft account. Once you've toggled sync off, verify the status shows off or that only desired items remain enabled. If your goal is complete removal from the cloud, sign into Account. Microsoft. Calm and clear sync data there. Make sure to read warnings before deletion. If sync refuses to stop, update Edge first, then restart the browser. As a last resort, sign out of the profile or create a new profile. This severs the sync connection. That should resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.